Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got another subscription box from Hunt Vault Elite. But before we get into it, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure to ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Okay, so we got Hunt Vault. They are a monthly subscription service that runs around $160 per month. If you do a 12-month commitment, they will drop it down to $150. If you are interested in them, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. So before we get into it, this company is a family-owned. They are a veteran-owned company, and if you reach out to them, they will give you a veteran discount if that applies to you. So, before we get into it, I will say that from last month's Hunt Vault, since this is a Hunt Vault, I do have my cool Arrow infused mug of unknown liquid, which I'm not going to tell you what I'm drinking because I'm not going to have all of you roasting me in my own comment section over what I'm drinking. But I will say this, the fact that they do give veteran discounts, I really do like that, and I really do appreciate it, and that they are a veteran-owned business. And so to anybody that's donned the uniform in defense of the greatest ideals on this spinning blue marble, I raise my glass to you. Cheers. All right. Oh, I'm going to have to hit that one more time. And I tell you what, this is for you watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. So, what are we going to open this box with? We are going to go with the Gerber Mini Cleaver, and this knife comes with a really interesting sheath. It's Kydex, and it does have a belt, like a belt loop, which is cool because my belt actually fits this. So, I do appreciate that. I hate getting knives that have really weird sized, fitments there for your belt, and the retention here is really cool. It just has a little button, that you press, which is a flap that actually locks the blade in. So you just give it a little yank, and she comes right out. Like I said, this is a Gerber Mini Cleaver. It can be had for about 40 bucks. It does have some cool little features. It has some machined aluminum scales on there, and on this side, well, actually on both sides, it has Gerber actually imprinted there into the aluminum. Very cool. This definitely would be a kitchen, a cooking knife, and you can use it for whatever you want. But generally, Mini Cleaver, you're going to use it in your camp kitchen. And this is a 7CR17 MOV China stainless, and it has a 60 to 63 HRC on the Rockwell hardness. And one of the things I found interesting, not to really divert this, but I read that where in China the blade is actually made goes into the composition of the material that is actually used to make the blade. Now, I'm not a knife expert. I am just a knife lover, and thought that was very interesting. So you can sound off in the comment section and let me know if you've heard that or you have any experience with that. So we will use it to open this box, and if you're interested, like I said, this is a really cool, it's a really cool knife. I really like these knives like this. Just take a popular blade and miniaturize it so that it does have that practical application to someone that's going to hike or backpack, whatever. And I will say this as a caveat, just so people know, I understand that most people that go on longer trips, their one knife does everything. I mean, they'll do everything with just one knife. They won't have one knife for certain tasks. And I get it, because if you're carrying weight, you want to have, you don't want to take a bunch of knives when you don't really need to. So I get that. But anyway, okay, Hunt Vault. We got our card, and this is for July. And I have noticed that Hunt Vault is running a little bit behind. That could be for product availability, which, in these crazy times that we're in, it's to be expected. So, yeah. But I will just grab the first thing that I see, and this is a hunter's license holder. A Ziploc securely holds your license. Or what is this stuff up here at the top? What is this thing? What is that? Okay. Well, anyway, this is just something you can put your, your license in, when you're hunting. Of course, it's highly visible, and it Ziplocs up, and then it has, looks like it has some zip ties. Yeah, it has a really big pin on it. So yeah, it's just something you can pin to yourself so you don't lose your stuff, Like if you're in a tree stand climbing up and down and you're in your, your camouflage pants, that maybe you're not used to how the pockets are, and you can snag something and you can lose your wallet. You can do this. There you go, no big deal. Okay, well, we do have a blade in this box, and it is a SOG Instinct Mini. And you guys, if you've been liking the videos when I use the different knives to open the boxes, I already have one of these, and I actually used this to open a box. So yeah, now I have another one. So, but if you would have got this box and you didn't have this little blade, it's a very good little blade to have. And there you go. And if you remember from my video, it has the little sheath, and it has it comes with the, oh man, my mind just went blank. Oh my God. Come on, come on, come on. The carrying chain. Man, I hate it when your brain stops working. And let's see, we got a HQ Outfitter sun catcher. So I'm assuming, okay, this looks like a net gator. Is what it looks like to me. Yeah. So there we go. So we got that. So very cool. Has a very weird pattern to it. Not quite like a normal camouflage pattern that you would be used to seeing, but something a little bit different. And that's okay. So yeah. So yeah, let's yeah, it's okay. Okay, so we got a Hunt Vault hat. Where's my Hunt Vault hat? Okay, I took it down. All right. Anyway, we got a Hunt Vault hat that has their Hunt Vault logo right there, and it is a trucker cap. It's one of these, mesh in the back, which my preference, I don't really like them, so I'm going to take another swig just because I got a hat like this. So yeah, so you got a Hunt Vault hat. So if you like those type of hats, you're going to be happy. Me personally, I don't like wearing those types of hats. Just my personal preference. Okay, I wish I wouldn't have thrown away the boxes, but there's another Bible verse in here. It's Proverbs 18:10. That wasn't the Bible verse that was in the last box, was it? I don't have that other box. I already threw it away. But that really makes me mad now to think that there have been Bible verses in all of these boxes. And I do not have my phone, so I can't look up. But if you want to, Proverbs 18:10. All right. Don't know if that was the same as the last time. I don't know. Okay, so I got some targets here. Let's see. These are just some self-adhesive targets. I'll go to the card, and when we go to the card, I'll read what these actually are. Yeah, I mean, these are going to be, just self-adhesive stickovers for, a target that you're shooting. You can actually go out and just stick these back over it, as long as it's black, because it looks to me like all of these that are self-adhesive, they are black, which is fine. All right, cool. I will use those for sure. Okay, we got an Allen Backcountry quarter bag. There's 4 of them. They are 20 inch by 30 inch. So let's see. Protects game meat from dirt and debris. Tough fabric breeze and wicks moisture away from meat. Easy cleanup. 100% washable. Drawstring closure for added security. Recommended for deer, sheep, and antelope. So if you are processing at your camp, there you go. You can throw some meat directly into these bags and take them back to your refrigeration or whatever. And I will say this, for someone that would purchase this particular box, I can see this being a useful item. Not for me, because if you guys have watched my videos, you guys have heard me say multiple times that I don't really hunt. I am a sport shooter, and that's kind of where my wheelhouse lies. But maybe one day, you know, down the road, I will get into sport to hunting and shooting actual game animals. But currently, I do not. So I do not really have a need for that, but I do know tons of people that do hunt. And, you know, could be a gift. Could be a regifter. I will do it. And we got some Oakleys. So I'm kind of curious about these. So let's see what kind of Oakleys we got. All right. So we got a pair of Oakleys. Look pretty cool. So yeah, they give you a pair of Oakleys. You know, look really nice. Let's see how I look. Well, hang on, let me get this off the front. Let me peel this little sticker off. Okay, so we got some Oakleys. What do you think? Do they look good? No? No? Take another drink. Okay. So, that's it, guys. That's everything in this month's box. Okay, so let's go over the price. If you just subscribed, you got $160. You got $150 on a 12-month. The Oakley polarized sunglasses. Let's see. They have a price of $157. And they don't feel like they're metal. They feel like they're plastic. How are these $157? I don't know, man. I think I'm going to call a little bit of BS on $157. They're plastic, right? They're plastic. They feel plastic. Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to agree with 157 on these Oakleys, but be that as it may, 157 for the Oakleys. The SOG Instinct Mini Fixed Blade Knife, they got $40, which, if my memory serves, that's about right. About $40. 30-ish, you know, maybe somewhere in that ballpark. So, okay, we'll go with that. The Hunt Vault Patriot Patch Cap, $30. $30, that's about right. Okay, so we got the Mossy Oak Neck Gaiter. And this says HQ Outfitter. Uh-oh, do I smell a substitution? Okay, I believe this is a substitution. But either way, it's a neck gaiter, so, you know, brand, whatever. Say $15. $15 on the neck gaiter. And we got a shooting target pack. Let's see, peel and stick, blah, blah, blah. $5. That's about right. $5 for this. It doesn't say how many of them there are, though. And it looks like there's probably a couple of them in here. So, yeah, $5. $5 on the targets. That's about right. And then we have the license holder. And this little job, they say, is $5. So, there you go. All right, there you go. I'm going to call highly suspect on the 157 for the Oakleys. And that's it. That's all we got for July. And let's see, blah, 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 blah. All right, so what do you guys think for $160? Would you have been happy? Would you have been sad? Would you have been disappointed? Do you think I got ripped off? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this particular box for this month. I will say I do like the arrow glass there with the Hunt Vault logo. I really do like that. So anyway, not going to ramble anymore. I'm going to put a subscription button up here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would really, really greatly appreciate it. It really helps me out. It really helps the channel. And put a next video over here. And yeah, man, go to that comment section. Let me know what you guys think about any of this stuff. What do you guys think about? I know a lot of you have commented on the subscription boxes in general, about saying how you're better off saving your money and just buying the things that you directly want, which is a very good point. But I will say this, getting a subscription box every month is like getting Christmas or a birthday present. You know, and I'm at the age where birthdays really don't mean anything. Christmas doesn't mean anything because I have children. So yeah, this is like a little surprise to me every month. Anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out. I greatly appreciate you. And if you made it this far, thank you. And I hope you have a wonderful evening, a wonderful day. However this video finds you, we will see you next time. Peace.